So today we're going to take a look at something a little bit different. Well, it's not different. It's very similar to what we always do. But we're going to talk about downloader codes. Okay, a lot of you use downloader codes on a Firestick, an Android TV device. Did you know you can use downloader codes on any web browser? Any browser at all. You don't have to use downloader codes in Downloader. And you can use downloader codes in a couple of other apps on your Firestick and Android TV as well. So before we get too far into this, make sure you hit that follow button. And make sure you've got your VPN running. If you need a VPN, there will be one linked directly underneath this for your privacy and for your security. So, recently there's been issues with Downloader. They're all sorted now, which is great. But a lot of people want to get apps or visit apps or websites, and they say, how do I get that? I need Downloader on my mobile phone. You don't need Downloader on your mobile phone. Can I get Downloader on my PC? You don't need Downloader on your PC. My Downloader is not quite working. I'm getting parse errors. So we want to try it via a different application. So, first one I'm going to show you, down here, down there, is a website. We're on my website, but that's just as a base page. But what you can do, if you want to use a downloader code, in your address bar at the top, you can type aftv.news and /, okay? Then you can type in the code. We use 75726, aftv.news /75726. You click it. And what that will do, that will auto direct you like AFTV URL shortener, so they're still getting the traffic, directs you straight to the website. The website was actually my website. So you can type in, as long as you type aftv.news and a /, you can put any code in there you want, and it'll either download the app for you or it'll visit the website. Lots of people don't know that. So when you're on your mobile phone, you could open up a web browser and type aftv.news /, and then put the code in, and those codes will work there. If you don't want to use Downloader to navigate. Downloader still gets the traffic because you can see their redirect as well. For example, then back onto your Firestick, which is down here. If your Downloader, you're having trouble with it, or Downloader's not available and it's missing, unless you're on a Firestick Select, you can use downloader codes in Firesend. Firesend downloader codes work. I'll show you in a second. And I believe AppLinked, if you have AppLinked installed, you can also use downloader codes. To use them in Firesend, just search Firesend, Firesend, install Firesend. Another couple of good apps here as well if you want to. Install Firesend, open it up, and once in Firesend, under the browser section, you can enter downloader codes as well. And again here we can type 75726. Next. So all downloader codes actually are, as you'll see at the top there again, the aftv.news /, okay, 75726. It's just a shortening of a URL, okay? It makes life easier, but they don't have to go through Downloader app themselves. They can do, and why not? Keep using Downloader. We all love Downloader. This video is for if you wanted to use a downloader code elsewhere. If you wanted to use it on your PC, you want to use it on your Firestick and your downloader's not working, or you can't get Downloader to work, or you don't like the new layout of the downloader, you can put it in Firesend, okay, or in AppLinked. And there we go. So the rules are aftvnews.com /75726, or the way I did it, aftv.news /. Does that all make sense? Hopefully it does. It's just a quick video there. Like I said, AppLinked as well. If you have AppLinked installed on your Firestick, I don't believe I still have AppLinked installed, but if you do, they also have a downloader code entrance. You can, if you're just for visiting websites, not downloading, you can use downloader codes in Silk browser, but they will not download as such. But if you wanted to just go to a website to watch something and you have a shortcode for it, so at the top here you could type, let's have a look, this is a bit long-winded, but it's just showing you how it works in any browser. aftv.news. One's come up there. Don't even know what that code suggested. Be one that someone's used in Silk before, I'm assuming. We want some left numbers. There they are. And again, we use my code 75726. Hit go. And there we go. The redirect is in again. If you want to accept or reject their privacy bits there, that will redirect us through. As you see, they've got adverts on there, so they're still getting their redirect and their ad revenue. And there we go again, through to my page. And obviously here you could have a look at different streaming websites if you wanted to. Or you've got football TV. You have got downloads, but Silk Browser doesn't download. You can check out our raffles on docsquiffy.com as well while you're here. You know, we've got lots of giveaways going on at the minute. The latest prizes have just been drawn. The prizes will be going out tomorrow, actually. I'll get some time now. The holidays are getting to the end. And you can scan the QR code if you need a VPN. Brilliant. Hopefully those little tips will help you going forward. Just in case there's ever been an issue where downloader disappears again, you do not need to panic. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.